Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to create clean professional graphs and charts inside Canva for 2026. It's actually way easier than most people think. And yeah, you can build charts for school, business, or whatever project you've got going on. All right, first thing, click on Create a Design. You can pick any size you want, like a presentation or a custom layout. Charts work on every canvas, so just choose whatever fits your project. Now, on the left side, click on Elements. Then scroll a little until you see the Charts section. Canva gives you all kinds of charts: bar charts, line charts, pie charts, donut charts, pretty much everything. Go ahead and choose the chart you want. Just click once and it drops right onto your design. And yeah, don't worry about how it looks right now. We'll update the data in a second. To update your chart, click it, then open the Edit Data panel. Here you can type in your numbers manually or paste data from a spreadsheet. Canva updates the chart instantly, so you can see your changes as you go. Now let's make it look good. You can change the colors, adjust labels, modify fonts, and switch the chart style if you like. Just use the right side toolbar and yeah, play around until it matches your design vibe. You can resize the chart, rotate it, or place it anywhere on your page. If you need a title or description, just add a text box from the left menu. It helps your chart look clean and more understandable. And yeah, that's all you need to create graphs and charts in Canva for 2026. Once you're done, you can download your design as an image, PDF, whatever you need. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you don't miss the next guide.